Hello and welcome friends to my channel. My name is Sundrivedi and you are watching my channel So in this video we are going to learn about how to create an app. So there are so many ways to create an app, but I am going to tell you the easiest way to create an app. So in this way we have to visit the site, we have to visit the website which is the MIT App Inventor's website. So what is the MIT App Inventor? MIT App Inventor is originally provided by Google and now it is maintained by MIT, means Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and it is a free and open source software. Here we can drag and drop the visual objects and create our own application, and that can run in our Android device. So and it takes less time. If you make an app in Android Studio, it will take your more space and more time. But this is the easiest way to create an app with the MIT App Inventor. After completing your application, this will generate a QR code, and you have to scan that code by your Android device, and that APK will install in your Android system. So now just check out the MIT App Inventor. So I am going to search MIT App Inventor, and here you can see the options. So just now I am going to show you the information about MIT on Wikipedia. So MIT App Inventor is a web application integrated development environment originally provided by Google and now maintained by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and it is very free and open source, and you can create apps for both Android, both OS, which is Android and iOS. But App Inventor companion, which is still under development. So let's go to the MIT App Inventor's real website, official website. So here you can see there are so much interesting things. Here you can see where start a tutorial is, but we have to create an app. So let's go to this point, create apps, and just click this. So after clicking this, there will be a page loaded, and it will ask you to sign in with your any one of your Google account. So now I am signing in by my second account. So now it is signing in, and after signing in, this will show your other projects, and this is a welcome prompt opening in front of you. So just click continue, and now it is my previous project. So now here you can see the whole UI, and here we click on my project and start a new project. Give the name of the project. So I give the name first project 1, first project. Let's click OK. And now if you previously run the Android Studio, then you have to know that in Android Studio there will also a screen appear, and you have to drag and drop the options in this screen. And here you can, in the left side, the properties, the right side, in the right side in the properties, you can set the properties and the colors and the font and many other options. So let's create some user interface. So because I am going to show you how to create this app, so I am going to just select some random things. So first I am going to select label. So label is for a title, and here you can see the text. So just change the text. So I am write first project in MIT. So click on this. Here you can see the first project in MIT. This will change, and now I am going to set the width, which is the fill parent, and click OK, and just click the height. No, height is OK, And now if you want to change the background color, so you can set here. This is the first project in MIT, and now this is the font size. If you want to change the font size, you can click here. So I'm going to change this. Now it's so big. Now so first project in MI, and now you can also set the line, text line. So I'm going to set the center, and you can see here first project in MIT. And now just add some random things like now you can just input the text box and also the password text box. In this when you click on this, you can select here, and we will give the hint. In hint we can write enter your name here, enter your name here, and here we give the hint, enter your password. Yeah, this is not shown in this boxes, but when you install this app, this will appear to you. Now just give the width of this to the fill parent, and also of this give the value fill parent. And now add some image. Now it's time to add image, and just click the image, but there is no image, so here we can upload the media file. So just choose, and here we click. Here I add some girl's image, and now click OK. So this file is uploading, and now it's upload, and just select picture, and here select iPhoto.jpg and click OK. So now you can see here is a image, but just set size. Now give the pixels, so I am with the pixel 200. Click OK, and now give the width. Width is also 200. Is it okay? Yes, it's now clear. So now we will add image, input text, a password, and a label. So now it's time to check if this app is working or not. And we have also can add just a submit button, just a button, and rename it start button. But after clicking this, nothing is happened, because so this is a designer part, and you can see designer, and here you can see the blocks. So when you click the blocks, here you can see a screen where we can code, and here we can use our logics to create to run the app, what's happening after clicking any button. So there is a very interesting, and when you click on this, you can see you have to put here and just put here, and it will catch it. It's like a puzzle. So yes, this is it is not going to, it is for demo. I'm not going to use this. Delete it. So just delete this, and also this. So just go designer part, and now we will test our web, is it running or not. So now we will click the build, and we will click the app provide QR code for APK. Just click on this, and now this is progressing. After completing this, it will show a QR code, and we have to scan that code. But how can you scan that code? You have to install a app which is the MIT AI companion app. You can find this app on Google Play Store. So let's download it on Google Play Store. So now waiting for the getting QR code. So it is progressing. After some time we will get our code, and now you can see on the screen, now we get our QR code. And what to do next? So to next, we have to download the MIT AI2 companion app from Google Play Store, and open that app and just scan this QR code. So now I'm going to tell you how to install this app and how to scan this code, and how you can run your application in your Android device. So let's go to the next part of the video. So after getting QR code, let's go to the Play Store and search the app MIT App Inventor. So MIT AI 2 companion. So this is the app name, and so this is, you have to install this app in your Android system. So I installed it, and now I'm just opening this app, and it will ask continue work without Wi-Fi. Let's click on this, and after then click scan QR code and allow everything. Now click and now scan the code. Now it will open, and it will ask you this type of file can harm your device, but click on the OK button, and after click on the OK button, this will install, and click on the open button, and this will ask for install. So click on the install, and let's click on the install anyway. So the process will complete, and just click on open, and here you can see your first project is first app is opening, and here you can see enter your name. Everything is working. So click on donation, and so everything working in your input box, and your label, and enter your password, password, and your image which you add, and the start button. So everything. So now you have create your own app. Here you can see your app icon. So first project and your app icon. So this is your app. This is your first app by MIT App Inventor. So now all about that MIT App Inventors, I'm going to tell you in my next videos, that how to add some label and some other things like slider, spinner, switch, text box, and other things like camera, audio, video. So I'm going to tell you everything in my next videos. So if you like the video, please like, share, and if you are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel. So let's see you in next videos. Goodbye friends.